Go inside?
Yeah, inside. Sharon? What are you doing? Sharon?
What's up? Welcome back to Halloweek. It is day 4, and I'm really excited because today I'm doing a vampire look. You guys, there are so many vampire looks on YouTube and it's hard to compete with all those vampire looks, but I try to do something that's a little bit different. Typically it's like a red eye or like you have the little veins, so I kind of wanted to do something different. I skipped out on that, but and I decided to go with purple look, purple theme, and I did a purple smoky eye. I did a bat wing, which is really popular right now on Instagram, and I took my inspiration from my favorite Instagrammer, makeup artist. Her bat wing is absolutely superb. Snook, I will link her below. She's absolutely amazing. You should be following her on Instagram. Her looks are amazing. So I took inspiration from that and I wanted to create a vampire look using that wing, and that was probably the hardest part in the whole entire look. Everything's so easy. Applying these are so easy. I'm going to show you how to apply these. I'm going to show you how to do the whole entire look. And we'll link everything below in the description box, you guys, and I hope you guys like it. I hope that it's different enough for you guys. I don't know, I've been wanting to do a vampire look for a while, so I hope you guys really like this one. If you're new, oh, hold on a minute, I'm like ahead of myself. Welcome, it's Halloweek. Halloweek is 7 days of nothing but Halloween makeup looks for 7 days in a row, every single day. So today's day 4, so if you missed the looks that I've done before, make sure you go check those out. I'll have a playlist at the end of this video. Also, I'll link the playlist below. And if you're new, make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure you've hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time that I upload a video. The moment it goes live, you can check it out and see, because I'm gonna have more looks tomorrow and the next day and the next day. So it's gonna be really, really fun. So make sure that you've subscribed. So, I'm really excited for this look. You guys, I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Give me a thumbs up if you like it and if you're excited for Halloweek. But yeah, let's just get on started. So I'm using, this is the BH Studio Pomade in medium. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. I will be carving these out with concealer to make them more prominent, like perfected, as if I'm an immortal soul. This is the Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer base from Lashes. I'm gonna use this to conceal and kind of carve out what I've done. I'm getting into the Beach Cosmetic Modern Matte 28 palette right here. And I'm going to start by getting into this color right here. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a heavier hand, and I'm gonna mix that one with this one right here. I'm gonna go in a little bit lower and start working that really into the crease. Then I'm going to take this color right here and I'm going to put that into the crease. More of the crease in the transition, like really into the hollow of the crease, and I'm going to blend it like crazy. Then I'm going to get into the Bling Boss palette, and I'm getting into Gem right here, and I'm putting that all over the lid. I'm going to kind of carve out my lid space. I don't really have to worry about this outer corner because I'm going to have eyeliner on it. And I'm going to put this color, Berry Treasure, right here on this like outer half, and I'm going to blend that in. And I'm going to use Rockstar here to kind of blend those two together. Or you can use Pizzazz too. That one's dark. To blend those two. Since that's like a shimmery dark. I'm going to be using a little bit of this one right here. Or actually a little bit of Ballsy right here. Ballsy. Just in this inner part. Okay, then I'm just going to get a brush and blend that line. I'm going to get into this color right here, and I am going to really blend. You can also semi-create this look with this palette here, the Petal Pusher from Wet n Wild. Like the brow color, the main purple would be a little bit different, but it's okay. It still would look nice. So I'm going to get into a wipe here. I'm going to clean up this edges. A lot of fat liner wings, but this one is my favorite because it's thicker. It's not like a super thin wing, so I'm going to try to recreate that with this purple, and we're going to see how that looks. Okay, I think I'm also gonna get into a gray, so you can use like I'm using this liquid lipstick, and I'm gonna do just like outline like the outside. Okay, so I'm going to start with the face now. I'm going to put on foundation, concealer, all of that stuff. I'm going to use this one. It's the No7 Lift and Illuminate foundation. I'm going to add a little bit of whitener to it to give me a lighter look on my skin. And I'm gonna use a super light concealer. So I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier Glow Powder, and I'm going to give myself glow. You can just use the highlighter, but I'm gonna make my skin super, super glowy and almost reflective. That you can use whatever contour you want. I'm going to use the LA Girl Just Blushing blush in Just Because to contour. And I'm really going to make sure I blend it good. And I'm also going to make my face look skinnier by bringing contour down like that. I'm going to get into these two colors that we used in the transition shade, mainly this color, but into this one as well. And I'm going to kind of make my hollows more accentuated so I look a tiny bit like a tired vampire. Then I'm going to go in with this deep purple to close to the lower lashes. Okay, so I'm going to use this Milani Shadow Eyes 12-Hour Wear eyeshadow pencil, and this one is in royal purple, and I'm putting that into the waterline. And I'm going to put a black into the tight line. I'm going to get this brush and I'm going to get into this color right here, which is a gray, and I'm really going to chisel out my cheeks. This brush is a Morphe Y12. I'm gonna get into this color and use that as a blush. So for my blush, I used these two colors. I'm gonna mix in a little bit of this one from the Beach palette too, just because it has a little bit of like luminosity to it. And then I'm gonna blend this contour out. The lashes I'm putting on are of course, these iikonn Jelous ones. Those are just, I'm just trying to find the lashes that are the biggest, most voluminous ones. And these ones are it that I have in my collection. Okay, so I have the lashes on. For highlight, I'm going to get into the Anastasia Moonchild palette, one of my favorite palettes of all time. I'm getting into Purple Horse, and I'm going to use that to highlight. Purple Horse, a little bit of Star. I'm gonna do some lines with the gray. So this is the Weirdo, this is the Beauty Bangs liquid lipstick in Weirdo. And I'm gonna try some. I'm gonna use a purple lipstick as, this one is called Jinx, as my lipstick. And I'm gonna put some gray in there as well. Okay, so last are the teeth, or spray your face and then the teeth. I'm using my little spray. This is the iikonn matte finish setting spray. I hope you guys enjoyed this vampire look. I hope you guys liked it. You guys, before I finish this video, go down in the comment section and give my husband some love, you guys. Show him some love. He's been such a good sport with helping me with some of my intros, my scary intros, and he's just been so good about it, and he's been so sweet about it. And I hope you guys will go down there and give him some love. Tell him he's a great actor. Just give him some love down below, you guys. He'd really appreciate it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for another video and check out the playlist. It's around here somewhere if you've missed any of the videos that I've done so far. But yeah, I guess I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye, guys.